Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to use Windows Clipboard History on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if still you are using the oldest method of copy and paste by pressing Ctrl C or Ctrl V, then I will show you new trick how to use your clipboard history. So by pressing Windows V, your clipboard history window will be opened here. You have to just press Windows plus V. As you can see, this is your clipboard history window. In this you will find your recently used emojis and GIF and your clipboard history. In this you will get last 25 saved clipboard history which you have recently used. So if in your system or laptop it is not turned on, so I will show you how to turn it on. You have to just click on start menu, then click on settings. Click on the system in the left side. Now come to the right side. You have to just scroll it down. Here you will find clipboard. Click on that. Here you can see it is turned on. If in your case it is turned off, you have to just turn it on. Below you can see, you will find here clear clipboard data. Means if you have to clear your clipboard history, you can just click on clear and your history will be deleted. That's it guys. So in this way you can use Windows Clipboard History on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.